How do I use Zillow? Stick around, I'm going to give you 6 expert tips from real estate agents on the best way to use Zillow. I'm John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida, and I want to talk a little bit today about Zillow and give you some tips, specifically 6, and maybe a bonus at the end, on the best way to use Zillow, but also some things to watch out for on Zillow as well. Zillow is a great tool because there's so much information. When I say Zillow, also Trulia.com, Realtor.com, Redfin, these are all great websites that will help you gather some initial information and data on the homes you're looking to possibly buy or also sell. So let's look at 6 tips from local real estate agents about Zillow. Tip number 1, don't rely on the Zestimate. So if you're familiar with Zillow, created this word Zestimate. Zestimate is kind of like an estimate of what your home would sell for, so they think, based on the algorithm. And it is usually pretty good in regards to communities. So if you have a bunch of homes in the same neighborhood, it's usually pretty good. But if you are a rural home and you're on 5 acres of land and your closest home sales comparable was 4 years ago, they're going to be way off on their Zestimate. But in general, if you're in a gated community or something like that, you have a lot of the same homes, they're probably a pretty good starting point. But check with your real estate agent, because depending on markets, whether they're going up or down, that is where you should look at listing or putting an offer in on a home. So the Zestimate, number 1. Number 2, use Zillow to find a good agent. Now, this can be a little bit tricky because on Zillow, you can search for agents in your area who have been ranked high in regards to a lot of reviews, which can be manufactured from time to time. But what is good, I like about Zillow in regards to finding an agent, you can typically see how many homes that agent has sold or helped buyers buy in the areas you're looking. It's really nice. You have to scroll down when you find the agent tab, but you can see the zones, the areas, the neighborhoods, the price points. You can see all the product that agent has sold, or if they're not a very active agent, have not sold over the last couple years. So I think that's a good tool in regards to finding an agent. Number 3 tip is hire your whole team through Zillow. Now, this can be very tricky because a lot of people on Zillow do something what I like to call pay to play. So you may have mortgage people on there who are paying to be on there. Most of these suggested realtors are paying to be on there. So does it mean you're going to get the best? Not necessarily. So be careful there, not only with your realtor choice, but also with other vendors, whether you're looking at a mortgage person on there, a lender of some sort, home inspectors, anything like that. Be very cautious. I would definitely suggest, once you find a good real estate agent, use your realtor to suggest quality vendors that they've used, that they've vetted, that they've had for years, so that you know you're getting the right quality source of person to help you through the home buying or selling process. Number 4, double check building policies. And what I would mean by this, especially here in Southwest Florida, double check your different restrictions, whether you have pet restrictions in that community, kid restrictions, rental restrictions. A lot of places around here have a minimum of 3 to 4 month rentals. You cannot do a lot of properties around here in the Naples, Bonita, Estero, Fort Myers area for weekly rentals like a VBRO. There's a lot of restrictions there if you're in a gated community or a condo association. Also look and have your realtor help you pull this data, because this is hard to get correct on Zillow, and that is the HOA or the condo fees. I would say 9 times out of 10, those are wrong. Specifically, even when it's a golf community. I have people ask me, John, why is this condo only $175,000? Well, it's because their golf fee is $50,000 to get in the first year, and then $10,000 a year after that. So the condo can be inexpensive for this area. So check with your realtor, because Zillow and these other websites do not accurately pull in all of this extra data. Now, I know I've said be careful on a lot of these things, specifically the last 2 when using Zillow, but this one I really like. I love their budgeting tool on there. And what that is their loan mortgage calculator. I do like this. I think this is pretty accurate because it's just numbers and you're putting them in there. So if you're purchasing a home for $400,000, you're going to put 20% down. You know the HOA or condo fee is $400 a month. And you know from previous tax bills that it's going to be $4,000 a year. And by now you figured out home insurance is going to run around $150 a month. You can figure out pretty accurately what your mortgage payment per month is going to be. I like this tool. There's a lot of them out there, but I like Zillow's. It's very accurate in regards to helping you with this and giving you suggestions as well too. Follow homes you are interested in. A lot of times on Zillow, you can hit like a heart button or something like that, and you can actually follow those homes. And when they disappear off your list as well too. They go pending, or they just disappear altogether. And then when they close, typically when an agent puts it in the MLS, it will show you what that home is closed for. So follow those, especially if you're looking to purchase down the road. You can get very acclimated with a neighborhood or community that you're looking to purchase in, and you have an idea of when you're ready to make that offer if your offer is at the right price based on what you've seen the other homes sell for. So follow homes. That's it on the 6 Zillow tips. If some of these seem a little overwhelming, contact your local real estate agent like myself. Here's the deal on the MLS. It's way better than Zillow in regards to all of these things because real estate agents can really hone down the search criteria. Zillow has a lot of options on search criteria, but it doesn't have all of them. They pull only a small portion from the MLS data feed in regards to the information on there. I've already talked a little bit about that. Your realtor can really highlight that and really help you stay away from homes that won't fit what you're looking for. So have your agent set up the portal search for you. It is way more accurate and helpful, but initially don't hesitate to use Zillow and these third-party websites. I'm John C., your local real estate agent here in sunny Southwest Florida. Feel free to call, text, or email me anytime with any of these questions. If it's late at night, I probably won't call, text, or email you back right away, but I will the following day. And if you have 5 seconds, do me a favor, click on the like button below and subscribe so that you'll be notified when these come out. Looking to do one a week. Hopefully every Tuesday these will come out. And by Thanksgiving, I need 100 subscribers to this channel. We're well on our way. I think we're up to 30 something already. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to go above and beyond, share this with your friends and family. I look forward to serving you. Stick around. There should be another video pop up here shortly. I'm John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida. Have a great week.